Mila! Mila! Mila!
Oh, it's coming. Move, Blessing. Move, Blessing.
Blessing! Blessing!
Oh, he's so cute, pup. Let me see you smile. Oh, it's such a cute smile.
It's very sweet.
Guarda che c'ho. Akira. Ciao. Tu pure. Grazie Akira. Arrivederci. Arrivederci.
Look at Lady. Oh my God. Oh my God. So stinking precious. Look at her. She's sitting.
Such a wimp.
We don't do that here. We put that boy down. Put it down.
Oh my God.
Nico, you broke the bed.
Caramel.
His ears are perfectly sticking out of the handle.
What?
Ghost. Hey, come here.
You should be medicated. F you, Brennan. I know you touched my drum set, and I want to hear that dirty little mouth admit it.
Get out of my face, or I'm gonna roundhouse your ass.
Сюда. Ходи.
Ruby, out of the pool. Ruby, out. She's not listening.
Dá beijo aqui, vem. Dá beijo. Conrado. Dá beijo. Beijo. Dá beijo. Come on, bring your bubba. Come on. Good boy. Get your bubba. Good boy. Get your bubba.
Get it.
Oh no!
Are you complaining to me about something?
Mamba.
You guys having fun out in the snow? Oh no! Oh no, your hat! You okay?
You're adopted. Yes, you're adopted.
He done got arrested. You are so bad.
Hello. Hello.
She's like, Mommy, help me.
Good girl. Go up the side. Go.
Heel, heel. Close. Stop.
As far as I'm aware, the answer to every problem is dog. Bad day at work, dog. Depression, dog. Anxiety, dog. Friend problems, dog. There is no other solution.
Sit. Say I love you. Say it. I love you. I love you. Say it.
Max, is the couch monster back?
Debo mantenerme sereno para no caer en la locura.
Shrek. Burra.
Ya tarde.
Going for a walk.
How is it?
Oh, Reese. Ooh, Reese, what are you doing? You got.
¿Saben cómo brinca un perro feliz? ¿Qué agarró? ¿Qué agarraste? ¿Qué tienes en la boca? Está muy feliz, vale. His aim is impeccable. Oh my god! Thought I could bring him. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Bro. Bro, no way. Oh, honey. Pretty border collie, you are so smarty, and you love your bally. You love to party, pretty border collie. Okay, no. Okay, no, stop.
Okay, bye, Leia. Leia, you're so cute.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood. Teeth like razors to suck the meat from your bone.
No.
You're so. He gets.
No, you don't talk to me like that. Stop it.
Can you do the head tilt? Can you shake your tilts? Barnum, can you do a head tilt for a la la yummy? A bobby ga boo boo. You wanna go for a whoop?
Edna.
You are not going back outside. No, you're not. You better stop talking back.
Slime, this your favorite show? Look at him, y'all watching Zootopia. Soft ass dog. My fault, bro. I didn't call you that. Fucking territory, bitch. Think you can shit on my leg and get away with it, huh?
Poor Uncle Petey. Schmo, stop eating Uncle Petey. Aw, now he's gotta go.
¿Qué quiere?
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
It's asleep.
So where are we going? We are going to the beach. Impossible. Very possible. Where is this beach? There's a beach at the zoo. The animal zoo? No, the human zoo. Of course the animal zoo. Well then, I should take a bikini. Seems inappropriate. Then what do I take to a beach in a zoo? Well,
Pino. Pino. She doesn't want to play right now.
Sit down. Can you pretty please sit down? Yeah, I don't think that worked. Sit your ass down.
Oh my god, here we go again. Zoomies part 2. Come on! Oh my gosh, okay. Where have you been? I haven't seen you in forever. Where have you been? Where have you been? Dice parla roba.
Just big, fat, star, nasty, and late. Now, don't hop up now. Don't hop up now. Somebody could have been in here robbing us, and your ass over there just laid the fuck out.
Right there. No.
Look at your dumb butt. Look at you. You dumb. Why you just can't stay in there? Huh?
Ready? You brought me your little stick. Ready? 1, 2.
Hello? Hello?
Sit. Do you like that? What is this? Okay, I'm gonna headphone guys. Okay.
Put it in the trash.
What?
Duke.
What's up, guys? Let's go back outside. You do? Let's go.
At gunpoint, what would you do? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna shoot. Bang!
Which made it 40, and I think it ended 41.
You'll wake up all the neighbors. Come here. Not me.
Come on. You know what to do. Yeah. Here it comes.
把脚坐，生气，好狗叫，好狗再叫。
Come on, dude. Give me a minute.
God damn, y'all are some fiends. You really want these that bad, dude? You want these that bad? I mean, here, bro. I guess. Here. Yeah, there you go.
So what is going on? Are you swimming? Are we swimming?
No.
What are you doing? Jimmy?
什么过来？
Is Joey hungry?
You're terrified.
He's really a stupid dog.
Mm-hmm.
No, they really is.
Come here.
They're all
Oh,
talking.
buddy, come here.
Don't be bad at Dad.
Alright, buddy, come on. There's that smile.
And if I die, be sure to take George out.
Animal's got her best mate over for a lunchtime play. Ginny's birthday! Yay, Ginny! Yay!
Photo. Just one at a time, said there. Smile.
Hey!
Get up!
Do you want to go to the groomers? Do you? You have to go to the groomers, baby.
Who's Puppy? Whose puppy is that?
His name's Chino. It's Chino that Frenchie.
Chino that Frenchie!
I haven't been doing it yet, dummy. Oh, sorry.
Fencing there, Big T. I don't want to murder, but I still.
Бар, направо. Бар, стоп. Бар, сюда. Бар.
Dragon. Wow. You see it? You see it?
Come here.
Later. It's too hot.
Use my peekaboo on them for a second.